Here's how to transfer your Bitcoin from Venmo to another external wallet. So once you're on Venmo, what you want to do is come to the bottom and click on crypto. Next, select Bitcoin. And then down here in the very bottom right corner, you want to click on the two arrows next to buy. Alright, so if you've never transferred Bitcoin on Venmo before, they're going to ask you for some information about yourself. Alright, so after I clicked on continue, it just asked me for my name, social security number, and address. Once you fill in what you need to, you'll then be taken to this page here and you'll want to click on send. Next here at the very top, you want to go ahead and paste in the BTC address that you want to send Bitcoin to. You want to make sure that the address that you're sending it to is exactly right, or else you won't be able to recover your Bitcoin. Once you select your address, you're going to be asked to scan your face and scan a photo ID to verify your identity. And then you'll be taken to this page here where you can select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. One thing to keep in mind though is, let's say I want to send $1 and then click on review transfer. It won't let me because I need to send a certain amount of Bitcoin. This is what will happen if you try to transfer to an external wallet, but if you just want to send to another Venmo account, I think you can send as little as you want. So once you enter in the amount you want to send, you can click on review transfer and send that Bitcoin. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.